In this video, I will go over what kind of a timeline we use. If the job is properly choreographed, it goes smoothly and efficiently. I will go through in order the different phases of putting down the deck. From selecting and milling the lumber to finish sanding the completed deck. In the lower right-hand corner of the picture will be a text box. In that text box is the name of the video that goes into the specifics about that particular phase of the project. We first select and surface the lumber to the width of the deck planks. The decking is then straight lined and ripped to dimension. I then run all the decking through a commercial drum sander, top and bottom, but not the sides. The sides are then run through a shaper that puts the entire profile on the side of the deck plank in one pass. It is a lot easier and saves a lot of time down the road if you pre-finish the underside of the deck planks. The deck planks are then measured and marked for length and stacked so that we can get to any deck plank when we need it. When we install the deck planks, we first clamp them into place and then mark them for nibs and scarfs. While the scarfs and nibs are being cut, the previous two runs are being installed. The scarfs are glued by the end of the day. This way the glue will be dry and we can install the runs in the morning. In the morning, the completed runs can be clamped into place and pre-drilled. We then temporarily fasten them and remove the clamps so that the next runs can be fit and marked. Once these are marked and removed, the pre-drilled runs are ready to install. After the installation of 4 or 5 runs, it's a good idea to go ahead and stop and caulk those seams. This way they won't get a buildup of dirt and debris. We fit the decking first, and the king planks and margin pieces last. On a fully sprung deck, the covering boards are fit first, so that the decking can be clamped to them. If the decking is run fore and aft, or partially sprung, the covering boards are fit last. We first only partially sand the deck around hatches and openings. Once the hatches and houses have been installed and the deck openings have been covered, the rest of the deck can be sanded and faired. The series of videos about this decking system are available on our Vimeo OTT channel. If you would like to see more, please visit us at our Vimeo OTT channel, MPT TV. Here you can find a very extensive, constantly growing video library on all facets of classic boating, all organized in one place without ads. We'll see you there.